particular one, it has this kind of cobblestone street, right? And then Sao Paulo Ruins is right around to the left. I'm not going to film it right now because I want to go down a different street that also has cobblestone and is also pretty cool. And this street also has one of the few independent theaters, the one that we're going to go down. But Street of Love, Passion, by Shao. And actually the name of that go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. And actually the name of that cathedral that we're gonna go down is the Pashao too. So this is the street I was thinking of. And you can see Sao Paulo Ruins at the end of it. And there's also a theater down there, and we'll just kind of show you what's along the way. Beautiful flowers. A lot of times people will sit all up and down this little street, and has a nice feel to it, as you can see. Highest time. Yeah, actually this one's always been closed. I've never seen this open before. Just thinking it's funny how you can see some of the Portuguese blue and white in the design. But it's interesting how some of these things have been, like you'd think this could be almost anything really. Actually it's funny, like these are just generic apartments, but then right next door you have this beautiful colonial types of apartments. Some of them have damage, permanent damage. They just left it as is, I guess. Some are turned into fiction, non-fiction. Huh. Narrative film works. Thailand, Macau, Singapore. Hello. Right there. Pashao. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, I have to film. Okay. Thank you. I'll just use. Thank you. He's telling me that I have to. He's telling me that I have to. In Macau, if we enter a building, we have to scan with our phone. But I don't want to do that right now. Okay, 1920. Wow, it's created 1920s. Travessa de Pashao. Okay. Huh. Relatively recent. But yeah, basically, like if you come into places here, you have to register with your phone, and then you also do a heat check as well. And I don't really want to go in right now. I just want to film all the graffiti here. So this is called Travessa de Pashao, Street of Passion. That's kind of cool too. We're filming in that spot. That's really cool. We're just going to try to get some interesting angles. And I'll just show you where we're at in a minute. Got all these balconies right here. Oh, actually that couple was right here. They were going to film. They were kind of in this little circle right here, right? That street light right there. Actually two balconies. And then what's interesting about this particular spot is there's Sao Paulo Ruins right there. And there's Sao Paulo Ruins, and people just kind of hang out there so you can see how cool that is. Sao Paulo Ruins. And this is our street. So we're gonna end it right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha.